Namaste. Welcome to our day 26. Let's begin today's practice with sun salutation. So come on the front of your mat, feet about hip width apart. Press your heel down, spread your toes, tuck your belly and tailbone in. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knee if you need to. Feel that stretch in the back of your legs. Inhale, right leg back, knee down, toes down, push your hip, look forward. Inhale, hold your breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right foot forward, knee down, toes down, push your hip, look forward. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring your arms up. Palm together. And down. And release. Left side, inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, chest to the knee. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, toes down, push your hip. Exhale. Inhale, hold your breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left foot forward, knee down, toes down. Push your hip, look forward. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring arms up. Exhale, hands at the heart and release. And bend your knees, push your hip back and bring your arms up. Look forward. Make sure that your knee and ankle in one line. Keep breathing. And then bring your hands back. Balance. Open your toes. Press your heel down. Exhale, release. Bring your right foot forward, left foot back, about 1 meter apart. Bring your palm together at Namaste on the back. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your left hand onto the right shin bone or on the ground. And right arm towards the sky or ceiling. And inhale. As you exhale, bring your chest towards the sky. twist, bring the hands down, hands on the waist, come back, change your leg. Palm in Namaste on the back. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. And inhale. As you exhale, bring your right hand on the shin bone, the left shin bone, and left arm towards the sky. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your chest towards the sky. Twist. Bring the hands on the waist, come back, and open your leg wider. Right foot out, bend your right knee, bring the hands back, interlock your fingers, and then you want to rotate your heel out and toes on the ground. And inhale. As you exhale, bring your head towards the foot. Try to kiss your foot. And take support. Bring your right hand under the thigh and interlock your fingers on the back. Inhale. As you exhale, lift your chest towards the ceiling. Then bring the hand on the ground. Left hand towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hand stretching above the head. And then inhale, come into warrior pose. Come back to the center, change the side. Interlock your fingers. Inhale. As you exhale, bring the hand back, head towards your foot. And take support. Bring the left hand around under the thigh. Interlock your fingers on the back. Inhale. And exhale, twist your chest towards the sky. And bring your left hand on the ground. Right arm towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, bring your right hand over the top of the head. Inhale, warrior. Come back to the center. Shake your leg. Take your left foot onto the right thigh. Hold with your hand. Left hand in front of your chest. Balance. Once you balanced, bend forward. Bring the left hand on the ground. Then right hand on the ground. Inhale, hold the breath. With support, come back, balance. Change your leg. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, right hand on the ground. Once you're ready, left hand on the ground. Relax your head. And support, balance, come back. Shake your leg. And sit in a squatting position. Balance onto your toes. Bring your right foot onto the left thigh. Right hand at the heart center. Release, change your leg. Right leg onto the left thigh. Left arm at the heart center. Exhale, release. Sit in any comfortable position. Any comfortable posture. Close your eyes and mouth gently and observe your energy. See how the flow of energy into your body and how this energy flow will help our body to be activated, our mind to be calmer and concentrated. And give thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.